The Little Ships Fleet Yacht Club has thrived for 72 years. Instead of a clubhouse, it leases a storage shed at the marina. Every spring, Long Beach lets it close the street for its opening day ceremony.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming.
I've been honored to do all I can to help this club, and as long as I'm blessed to be in this position, I will continue to do everything in my power to assist this club in its success. So, thank you guys. Proclamation presented to Little Ships Fleet Yacht Club and the 2009 Commodore Jim Starwood in honor of the 2009 Little Ships Fleet Yacht Club opening day.
Opening day is a chance to play host to the officers of other clubs, observe yachting traditions, renew old friendships, make new ones, and enjoy hearty fare and welcome libations.
The Order of Blue Gavel was formed to be of service to the yachting and boating community, and especially to your own club. By the authority of my office, I now declare you a member of the International Order of Blue Gavel, which entitles you to fly our flag on your yacht wherever you may be cruising. May you take pleasure in flying this emblem, which represents your faithful service to your club. Welcome.
Thank you.
And congratulations. And thank you. Congratulations.
We had 10 boats come out and participate. They took in 10 starts, 2 races. And as you know, we scheduled this event for the week before midwinter so that our local racers could practice reading the signals and strategizing their run at the line. We're involved in the Long Beach Harbor Invitational Series. We host the 3rd of the 10 races, the split series that we have, along with our partners at the Shoreline Yacht Club, the Navy Yacht Club Long Beach, and the U.S. Power Squadron's District 13. On the Port Royal Joint Cruise last year, we had 26 boats going.